Hello students, today we are going to revise one of our recent topic, that is estimation. So let's first try to understand what does estimation means. Students, as we have studied that the estimation is basically a process of taking the best possible guess by rounding off the numbers to the nearest highest place value, and where we use the concepts of rounding number. Now I will explain this concept with an example where you will be getting to know that where exactly in our practical life situation we use estimation. So here is the example. First, let's suppose you went to a stationery shop with rupees 2000 with yourself. Now you want to buy certain things from there. Let's suppose you bought one bag, one school bag, which cost you around rupees 1275, let's suppose. Then you bought a pencil box, a new pencil box for new session, which might cost you rupees 180. Then you thought of buying a geometry box that might cost you rupees 250. Now students, when you are buying these things and at the same time you are calculating at the back of your mind that whatever things you are buying, it should be in the range of 2000 only. So let's suppose you had the money you took with yourself was 2000 rupees. The bag that you bought cost you rupees, let's suppose 1275. Then the pencil box that you bought cost you rupees 180. So what you are doing at the back of your mind, you are rounding each numbers. Let's suppose you thought that the cost of the bag was 1300. Now then the pencil box cost you rupees 200. So in this way you are calculating it, you are using the concept of rounding numbers, and you are calculating it at the same time so that the things that you are buying is within the range of the money that you have. Let's suppose then you bought a geometry box which cost you rupees 250 again. So while calculating at the back of your mind, where you do not have a pen and a pencil to write everything and then calculate, but you are just keeping it at your mind that the things you are going to buy should be within this range, and as a result you will be estimating the values. You will be using the concept of estimation and rounding number, and then you will be calculating them so that the range should remain between 2000. So these are some practical life examples where we use estimation. And here what we are doing, we are using estimation to check our answer in addition. The total cost will be adding these three numbers, and then we will see that whether our actual sum is reasonable or not using estimation. So I hope with this example I'm clear why and how by using estimation we check our answer. It may be sum or it may be difference. Students, in estimation we use the concept of rounding number. So basically estimation help us in calculating the numbers or adding or subtracting a number in a more easier way, because here we take the help of rounding numbers, and when we round numbers it becomes more easier for us to find out the sum of the numbers or difference of the numbers. So one of the use of estimation is to make the calculation easy. Now since we take the help of rounding number over here, in very brief, let us once again check out how to round numbers. Let's do this with the help of an example. Now let's suppose we have this number 12,74,986 and we have to round this number to nearest 10 lakh because that is the highest place value over here. This is the 10 lakh. Now students, recall the two rules that we have studied under rounding numbers. First rule was the number that we are supposed to round is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. We have to round the number up. And if the numbers we are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we round the number down. That is, if the numbers we are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we round the number up. But if the number we are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these numbers, we round the number down. Okay, so now let's get back to our question and let's try to solve it. So here is our question. We have to round this number to nearest 10 lakh. So this is the digit or this is the number which we have to round. In order to round this number, we have to look at the number which comes exactly right to it. This is 2 here. Now, as we know, since this is 2, it is less than 5, so we will round this number down. And when we round the number down, the number remains same. And the rest of the place values become 0. Let's take one more example. Here is one more example, that is 8,89,28,238. We will be rounding this number to its highest place value. So the highest place value is this, which is the crore place. Now we want to round this number. So if we want to round this number, we need to see or look at the digit which comes exactly right to it, which is 8 in this case. Now we know this number is greater than 5, so we will round the number up. As a result, 8 will become 9 and the rest of the place values will become 0. So round off of 8,89,28,283 to nearest crore will be 9 crore. Okay? Students, let's start solving some questions on estimation. First is estimate the value of each of the following. Now we have to estimate the sum. So what we have to do, the first step is that one by one we have to round these numbers to their highest place value. So at first let's begin with this number 45,59,549. When we will round this number to its highest place value, which is 10 lakh, we will get 50 lakhs. Next is 29,12,453. When we will round this number to its highest place value, that is 10 lakh, the answer we will get will be 30 lakhs. Now here we will be using the sign of approximation, not equal to. This is because we are estimating it. This is the estimated value of these two numbers. And then we will write it as 80,000. So our answer will be 80,000. That is, we can write it that sum of 45,59,549 and 29,12,453 is about 80 lakhs. This two words is about is very important because this is the estimated value. Because in the question we have been asked to find the estimated value of each of the following. So this is estimated value. Now students, here is one more question that we are going to solve. Here the first number is 5,32,58,946. minus 3 crore 74 lakh 82,876. Again, the first step will be to find out the round off number to their highest place values. So the round off of 5 crore 32 lakh 58,946 to its highest place value, that is crore, will be 5 crore only, and the round off of 3 crore 74 lakh 82,876 will be 4 crore. Again we are using the sign of approximation over here, because this is not the actual value, this is the estimated value. So this will be equal to 1 crore, and we can write the answer as 5 crore 32 lakh 58,946 minus 3 crore 74 lakh 82,876 is about 1 crore.